Yes. Okay. Did you tell me where this file was so I can go find this? No, because it wasn't ever created. Wow, look at that. Okay. Little things like that get very irritating because, we put in all this work, all this documentation for people not to even read the documentation. And if you don't read the documentation that I sent over prior to the contract being signed, whose problem is it? I think it's the problem of the said company or department. And if you're the subject matter expert coming from the company, and I am a contractor coming within this bad ecosystem, how can the contractor be to blame for your pitfalls, right? I can only say, hey, this is what I'm seeing. Contact the agency that actually gave me the contract. It's always like an agency, kind of, I don't want to even name no names, but if I have to, see me in the comment section.